Petrainer. Here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars by Petrainer. Number 1, Most Popular, by Petrainer. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Petrainer. Number 3. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Petrainer. Find these dog collars by Petrainer at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by iPets. Number 9, by Petrainer. Discover more dog collars by Petrainer ideas and items to explore. Click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Petrainer.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.
If you're looking for dog collars by Petrainer, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars by Petrainer. Number 1.